Hello, everyone! Have you ever wondered how you can send a message to a friend, watch a video, or search for something online, all in a matter of seconds? Behind the scenes, there's a whole system of connected parts working together to make it happen. Today, I'm going to explain how everything bandwidth, computer networks, computing devices, computing systems, HTTP, the internet protocols, networks, and IP addresses fits together like a giant puzzle. Let's start with the internet, the foundation of it all. Imagine the internet as a giant global city where everyone and everything is connected. It's the place where all the magic of communication and sharing happens. But just like a city needs roads, maps, and addresses to function, the internet needs its own systems and rules to work smoothly. In the city, we have computer networks, which are groups of devices, like computers, phones, and tablets, that can talk to each other. These networks are like neighborhoods in the city where smaller groups of people or devices share information. Now, what are these devices? They're called computing devices, things like your smartphone, your laptop, or even smart appliances in your home. Each device plays a role in receiving, processing, and sharing information. But one device alone isn't enough for the internet to work. They need to collaborate. When these devices team up and work together, they form computing systems. Think of this as a soccer team. Each player, device, has a specific role, but they all work together to achieve a common goal: sharing and managing information across the internet. To keep everything running smoothly, the internet follows certain rules. One of the most important is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is like the rules for how information, like web pages or videos, should be sent and received. It's the language that computers use to talk to each other so they understand the messages being shared. And then we have internet protocols. These are like the GPS of the internet. They make sure that information knows exactly where to go. Without protocols, data would be like a letter without an address. It would get lost. Speaking of addresses, every device in the system has an IP address, a unique identifier, like a home address, that tells the internet exactly where to deliver information. Now, let's talk about how fast this delivery happens. This is where bandwidth comes in. Bandwidth is like the size of the roads in the internet city. If the roads are wide, lots of cars or data can move quickly. But if they're narrow, everything slows down, like traffic during rush hour. So the more bandwidth you have, the faster your data can travel. Finally, let's connect it all back to networks. Think of networks as the neighborhoods in this internet city. Your home Wi-Fi is one neighborhood, your school's network is another, and they're all connected to the larger internet. These networks help organize and manage the flow of information, making sure data gets from one place to another. Here's how it all connects. Computing devices, like your phone or laptop, are part of a computer network. These devices work together as part of a computing system to process and share information. Data travels across networks following rules set by HTTP and guided by internet protocols. Each device has a unique IP address, so the data knows exactly where to go. And the speed of this process depends on the bandwidth, the size of the road the data travels on. So, the next time you send a message, stream a video, or look something up online, think about how all these pieces are working together. The internet isn't just some invisible force. It's a connected system of devices, networks, and rules that makes it all possible. And just like in a city, when everything is connected and works smoothly, amazing things can happen. Thank you.